Hi, it's again stcherniak in Berlin Mobility. Today is April 7th, 2023. We have today heating news, and we'll talk about heat pumps. What is heat pump? The politicians in Germany have been talking recently for months about Wärmepumpe, heat pump. Wärmepumpe, Wärmepumpe, Wärmepumpe. What is that? Was ist das? The answer is quite simple. Wärmepumpe or heat pump is something like a fridge or a conditioner. It's an aggregate that takes air from outside, if it's refrigerator or a conditioner, with the help of a liquid or gas agent, transforms the heat from outside into cold inside. It's been activated by the electricity. The heat pump works in the opposite direction from the conditioner, air conditioner, or from the refrigerator. It takes cold from outside and with help of liquid or gas agent transforms into heat inside. So new word, old principle. Wärmepumpe, heat pump. Stay with us, give us your like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much. Bye.